In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Systeme.io watermark. If you're seeing a small Systeme.io affiliate badge on your funnel pages and you want a cleaner, more professional look, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to turn it off. We'll do this right inside the page editor, and I'll point out a few spots where people commonly get confused so you can breeze through it on the first try. Start by opening the funnel that contains the page you want to edit. From your funnel list, choose the specific page where the badge appears and click Edit Page. This takes you into the visual editor where you'll see your page layout and the top toolbar. We're not changing any content or design here. We're just heading to a setting that controls whether the affiliate badge shows up. Once you're in the editor, look to the top menu and click Settings. This is the page level settings area, not the options you see when you click an individual element. If you've previously selected a headline or a button, the right panel might be showing element settings, so clicking Settings in the top menu ensures you're adjusting the entire page. With the settings panel open, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the section labeled Affiliation. It can be easy to miss because it sits below other page options, so keep scrolling until you see it. Inside the affiliation section, look for the checkbox that says Display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions. This checkbox is what controls that Systeme.io watermark on your page. To remove the badge, simply uncheck that box. As soon as it's unchecked, the affiliate badge will no longer display on this page. This change keeps your branding clean while still leaving everything else on your page exactly as it is. Before you leave the editor, make sure you save your changes. Click the Save button at the top to confirm the update. Saving is essential. If you skip it, the badge will remain visible on the live page. After saving, you can view your page to confirm the badge is gone and that the rest of your layout looks just the way you want it. That's all it takes. You access the page editor, open the settings from the top menu, scroll to the affiliation section, uncheck the badge option, and saved your changes. Your page should now display without the Systeme.io watermark, giving your funnel a polished, branded finish.